Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off keyboard sound on Samsung Galaxy A25. Alright guys, so sometimes whenever we type on the keyboard there will be a sound every single word we type, and this is very annoying guys. And now in this chance I will fix that and I will show you how. Okay, first thing, we go to keyboard like this, and for example every single I type the word it will be sounding guys. And how to fix that is the first way is you can go to the settings menu of the keyboard, and then now you can go to preferences guys over here. So yeah, you can scroll down a little bit and then you can turn off sound on key press. Okay, after that now let's switch it together. Okay, this is no longer sounding anymore guys. Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn off keyboard sounds on Samsung Galaxy A25, and then thank you so much for watching.